Hello, my name is Juhun Baek. My American name is Harry. 18 years ago, I saw the light of the world in Daejeon, Republic of Korea. I learned to speak multiple languages since kindergarten, and I'm currently able to speak 4 and share my culture backgrounds with multifarious international friends. Owing to my zeal for natural science, my house was my personal library with thousands of science books since my early adolescent years. With a dream of becoming a scientist, I left Korea at the age of 12. I participated in math club, puzzle club, and the astronomy research program. I created a historical modeling club where my friends and I built models of historical vehicles. In addition, I rebuilt previously disbanded chess club this year. As a president of the chess club, I taught gambits, strategies, played and analyzed matches, and held competitions with my ambitious friends. Additionally, I have a passion for teaching children. I took part in several mission trips to other countries. I have tutored students at a children's center in Korea for 5 years. I served young church members as a teacher's assistant at my church for 2 years, preparing snacks and playing with elementary students. I'm also part of community outreach, a course offered by my school in which I go to 3 different elementary schools every week to tutor, teach juggling, and solving Rubik's Cubes. With a desire to explore more of physics outside of school, I took various courses such as linear algebra, differential equations, the discovery of Higgs boson, systems thinking and complexity, and more. Those college certificates helped me to enhance my physics knowledge. However, I would like to share those knowledge with young children every year as their servant.
And one thing that I can definitely say about him is that when he pursues something, he does so with an intense determination and diligence, aiming to be the best that he can possibly be. Last summer, he took on chess as one of these interests. He revived our school's former chess club and became its president, and I've learned a lot from his teaching, and his deep interest in chess clearly shows in how quickly he's learned and what he does with it. And that's only one example of this quality of determination that Harry has.
And the things that stand out in my mind about Harry is his curiosity, and he's also a bulldog, and he's a lateral thinker. So curiosity-wise, he, when we did this lab out on the football field where we're studying ballistic motion, most of the groups just kind of did the usual kind of parameters, where Harry looked up from the time of day that he recorded, he looked up what the humidity was that day, what the direction of the wind was, all these other kinds of secondary considerations, and he wanted to see how they affected the actual projectile motion in theory, and then actually how it worked out that day. So that was really impressed me. As far as a lateral thinker and a bulldog, Harry's been the only person to date who has completely solved my Thanksgiving challenge. My Thanksgiving challenge every year is one time somebody hit my light pole near our house, and it ended up completely inverted, this whole cast iron light pole, completely inverted in my birch tree. And Harry's been the only one who has figured that out and done a complete physics explanation of why what we think happened, or actually I guess we know happened. And I just can't say enough good things about just how well he has self-taught himself things, filled in things that I didn't talk about in class. And so he can answer many things or help other people in class. He's a very helpful individual as well, and that's why I asked him to be my TA as well, because he has that helpful attitude. So again, Harry just has a very deep passion for technology and figuring things out. He'll figure them out all the way to the end and to the nth degree, and he also can laterally think. He can think shifting and looking at things differently. So again, Harry has my greatest respect and admiration, and I want to follow his career.